Okay, the first thing is we have to pop open the hood. That is the basic thing that everyone have to do before changing the headlights. So here I am. I have popped out my Chevy Malibu 2018 LS models hood. Now I'm going to check upon where are the openings to remove the headlights. So let's go to the passenger side. On the passenger side, you see that's the cap that we have to remove in order to get the headlight bulb out on the passenger side of it. So we got it's technically I cannot reach with my hand, so I have to do something to make sure that my hand reaches out there so I can remove the cap and then the bulb, of course. So this is the basic thing that is coming in line. So I have to make sure that I take this thing off slightly so I can put my hand in and make the adjustments. Let's go to the driver's side and see what's going on here. So the driver's side, yeah, it's pretty simple. They have large enough space to remove the headlight cap here. My hand is easily reaching out there, so I think I'm good here on the driver's side. So I just have to figure out how to remove this assembly here. I think the first thing that we have to do is so the whole thing can be moved away a little, and then remove these screws up here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws. So there are 6 screws. Pop out those screws, and so this can be moved slightly, and then this loosens up, and slightly loosen this up. And after taking this out, this is the air filter assembly here. A flathead screwdriver to remove this particular screw off, and then I have a Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws on the air filter. So let's try them out. I'll remove these 6 screws. So we just have to now move the air filter lid out a little and make room for ourselves to put our hand inside to remove this particular headlight cap. Remove the headlight cap. Now we have to gently pull out the headlight bulb. Slightly rotate a little, so rotate anti-clockwise a little, so get the bulb out. So that's the headlight bulb. We got the Zdatt LED headlights for this Malibu LS 2018 version. So I'm going to replace the factory headlights with these new LED headlights that I got today from through Amazon. So I have already made room for myself to reach the headlight case, so I can remove the bulb from here. So this is the bulb that we see. This is a factory bulb that has been provided. Now I'm going to replace that with my own LED bulb. So I just have to, all you have to do is gently remove this particular headlight from the casing. Just loosen this up. That's the bulb out here. It has come out. Now I'm going to place in the new LED headlight from Zdatt. We clamp it up and slowly we have to make sure we are putting sufficient room in. Put the bulb in. Place the bulb and tighten it up clockwise. Now we have to push all this wire casing wiring inside so we can put the headlight cap back on. So we have pushed everything inside. Make sure that the bulb is tightly placed, and now we can put this headlight cap back on. Push it in and rotate it clockwise. Yep, that's it. After this is done, this is the passenger side. After this is done, you have to replace the air filter cap back on. You know how to do that? If not, this is how we should do that. Just take this back on gently, put these latches in, and then tighten the screws. Screws back on. All the 6 screws that we have earlier removed, we're going to tighten them back on. After we tighten these 6 screws, we have to tighten this air filter vent screw as well. It is very simple. I just have to remove this. You can reach the headlight casing easily, so you just have to remove the cap, rotate it anti-clockwise, and then take the bulb out. Take the cap out like this, place it back somewhere else, and now rotate the bulb slightly anti-clockwise, and then pull the bulb out. Now unplug it and then replace that with the Zdatt headlight bulb that we got. Headlight bulb that we got from Amazon, as I earlier mentioned. Now I'm gonna slightly place this thing here so you can see. Okay, now have to plug it in. Make sure that that's plugged in. You see that? That's plugged in now. Now we have to put them back, put the bulb back on. Put the bulb inside. And then turn it anti-clockwise. Put the bulb inside and then turn it anti-clockwise. And then put all the wires inside so you can place the cap on. So take the cap on, reach the hole there, and then put it on and rotate it clockwise to fix it up. That's it. So now we have replaced the bulbs. We have replaced the bulbs now, so we have to just close the hood and it will be up and running.